everyone, this is Q, and in this video we will be looking at the concept of long multiplications. Long multiplications is simply multiplying longer numbers. This is a little bit different than long addition and long subtraction, and we will go over it in just a moment. We have two examples, so this would make it easier for you to understand as we go through the video. Let's start with the smaller example. In long multiplications, you would also go from right to left and multiply one digit at a time. But there are a few differences. So let's start solving and I will explain them as we go. So in this example, you would start with 8 multiplied by 2. So it's 16. So you'd write 1 over here and 6 down here. Then you would go 8 multiplied by 4. Now this is one of the differences between subtraction, addition, and multiplication. Over here, usually when you subtract or add, you would just add 1 to 4, make this 5. So do not make the mistake of multiplying 8 by 5. What you would do instead is multiply 8 by 4, the original value, and then add whatever value came up top. So in this case, it would be 8 multiplied by 4 plus 1. So 8 multiplied by 4 would be 32 plus 1, 33. Now you are multiplying 2 with both these digits, but because it's in the 10th place, you would put a 0 down here and then start. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 2 times 4, 8. Then you simply add the two numbers to get the answer. 6 plus 0, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. 8 plus 3, 11. So your answer is 1176. Now let's look at a little bit complex question. And this is the reason why it's complex. It's actually not complex, but it's just longer because it has a 3-digit number. So we will need to go through a few more steps than what we had to in this. But the principle remains the same. Let's start with from right to left. 2 times 6. You put 1 here, 2 down here. That's 12. Then you do 2 times 5, which is 10, plus 1. 1 here, 1 here, 11. Then you do 2 times 4, 8, plus 1, 9. Now we are multiplying the middle number, which is the 10th, which is in the 10th place. So you would put 1, 0. 8 times 6 comes up to 48. 8 times 5 comes up to 40 plus 4, 44. So we just put 4 and 4. 8 times 4, which is 32, plus 4, 36. So just put 36. Now you'd multiply 7 by the same number, but because it's in the 100th place, you would start with 2 zeros. 7 times 6, you get 42. 7 times 5, get 35, plus 4, would be 39. Go 39. And then 7 times 4 will be 28 plus 3, 31. And now all you are doing is just adding these three numbers to get your answer. 2, 8 plus 1, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, so you put 5 here, 1 here. Then you have 9, 6, 15, 16, 6, 1. You have 1, 3, 4, 5, and then 3. So your answer is 356, 592. There you go. So you could have any number. The only difference would be that you would have each extra step, like one extra step, as you increase the number of digits. But the way to solve it would still be the same. I hope this helped. Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you for watching my videos. Please hit subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep following.